Top 6. Best Forstner Drill Bits. If you're looking for the best Forstner drill bits, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Best Overall. Erwin Marple's Forstner Bit Set. Number 2. Runner-up. Forstner Bit Set, Wood Drilling. Number 3. Best Budget. Forstner Bit Set, Basinol 5 PCS Forstner Drill Bits.
Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Forstner Drill Bit set. It comes in a nice sealed package. The sizes include a 15, 20, 25, 30, and 35 millimeter drill bit. Now if you forget which one you're working with, you can always just open the box and it tells you right inside. Each drill bit has a round shank and an ultra sharp spur to ensure an accurate starting hole without slipping. It cuts cleanly and accurately with no wobbling or burning the wood, which is excellent for drilling wood holes which you want. It also produces smooth and flat holes and creates chisel-like curls for fast, clean chip removal.
Number 4. 20 PCS Forstner Drill Bits, Rockaris Tungsten Steel. Number 5. Auto Tool Home 2-inch Forstner Bit. Number 6. 6 PCS 30 to 60 mm Forstner Drill Bit Set. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.